Some of you may have wondered how we made our unique souvenirs from the oak bell frame at St John's Church. How exactly did we get from these ancient timber beams supporting tons of metal to these beautifully crafted tea-light candle blocks? Well, after removing the frame from the belfry, we carefully selected pieces of the frame, avoiding sections like these where there was significant rot, and choosing good solid pieces like these. On this piece you can clearly see a tenon joint and a hole where one of the iron stringers passed through the frame. One of our ringing colleagues from St Joseph's in Ansdell cuts the beam sections into 800mm cubes like these, sanding them smooth and finishing the edges with a router. The next stage is to bore out the recesses to accept the steel cups and the tea-light candles. The oak is very hard wood, so it takes its toll on saw blades and drill bits, and you definitely can't rush the task. Once the drilling is complete, the next stage is adding the designs using the laser etching machine. The images of St John's Church and the windmill are created from photos I took, converted into line drawings and then imported into the laser software. Here you can see some of the designs being burned into the wooden blocks. You can also see my temporary workshop on the top of the cooker and using the extractor hood to remove the fumes. After the laser etching is complete, a little bit of buffing is done to make sure all the surfaces are clean, and then the final stage is to add a few coats of Danish oil. Once the oil is completely dry, the steel cups and the candles are added, and then the candle blocks are ready to go. So that's how we made our limited edition unique souvenirs from the 151-year-old bell frame.